Hello, Namaste, Adab. Welcome back to Tales by Saksham. This is Snigdha Banerjee, an explorer, a traveler, a child voiceover artist, a spoken word poet, an entrepreneur, and a social worker by passion. You can find me on Instagram as I am Titli. I am _TITLII. Yeah, so I started working as a volunteer at various NGOs when I was in 8th standard. There is no right time to start working, and there is no right age, to have the experiences. So you start whenever you feel like. Post which I worked as a freelancer for content writing with Delhi Youth Forum, Creative Bucket, and some other advertising agencies as well. Then I started working with startups. That has helped me gain a lot of experience. There you grow right from the basics. You observe and you learn. In fact, that has helped me gain a lot of experience and courage for my current startup, that is Copperverse. In 2017, I started Kala Pathshala. That's a slum school under the NGO Being Social Ek Nai Shuruaat, and we teach the children of rag pickers there. Then we also worked for Carefree Lado, that is a menstruation hygiene awareness program. Here I met hundreds and hundreds of girls and women from the rural parts of India. Reaching out to them and communicating the right way, making them empowered and carefree about the period and the taboos. I feel that you are empowered only when you empower. I felt something that, traveling helps you a lot, and traveling is something that will help you grow not only your knowledge, but it will help you grow your experiences, and experiences matter a lot. Once you start interacting with people, you will come across various psychologies, and there you'll get to know people better. Personally, I have always been a curious explorer. So the concept we had earlier was, jack of all and master in none. But now you have to be jack of all and master in some at least. So it's okay to have your experiences, and this will always help. And I'm a poet, so I love to write. But जितना कलाम पढ़ोगे और जितना लिखोगे उतना refine होते चला जाता है. And same is with work. You aren't perfect, but being there makes you perfect. Adapt करते चले जाओ, never stop learning. If you ask me about how experiences help you, then I would like to say that nothing goes in the vain. Go for it, at least you'll gain an experience, which is always helpful. So my passion for social work grew right from the very childhood, because my parents used to take me to orphanages and old age homes on my birthday. So मेरे बर्थडे का एक प्लान रहता था कि सुबह मंदिर जाना, उसके बाद ऑर्फनेज या ओल्ड एज होम जाके बर्थडे उनके साथ सेलिब्रेट करना, और रात को आके घर पे सेलिब्रेट करना. So that is the point where I felt connected that खुशियाँ बांटना जरूरी है, खुशियाँ बांटने से बढ़ती हैं. So at that point of time, it made me so happy. It gave me a feeling of satisfaction. So my venture with Being Social Ek Nai Shuruaat started when I passed my 12th. Yeah. So at that point of time, I met these people who were, working selflessly for the society, and I shared the same mindset. So we connected. And after I joined Being Social Ek Nai Shuruaat, I came to know, their goal and the motto. That was quite attractive. They believe in individual social responsibility, which is, and we all are individuals, and we have a basic responsibility towards our society, which needs to be fulfilled. So working on that individual social responsibility, that is ISR, we are giving back to the society. Like today, whatever we are, that is because of the society, and we believe in giving back what we have gained. And I guess by giving, you always gain much more. So I always had this idea about starting a school. A school for the slum children, where because I believe that all the children deserve equal rights to study. They should get that environment, that proper aura to study. They should enjoy studying, and that's a process. Education is a process, and there should be a fun learned way. So I started with this initiative under Being Social Ek Nai Shuruaat in 2017. That is in the month of May, and on World Hunger Day, because we believe that, like, if you feed a child for a day, then you eradicate hunger just for a single day. But if you feed the child with education, in that case, you're eradicating the hunger from his life for the lifetime. So that's because feeding education to the child will make him empowered to earn his bread himself. So this was the concept behind Kala Pathshala, and we surveyed a lot of slums, and finally we found the slum near Kaushambi, Ghaziabad, and there's a slum where all the children of rat pickers reside. So we डफली बजा के उनके साथ मस्ती करके उनको समझाना कि हाँ एजुकेशन इम्पोर्टेंट है. पहले तो the parents were not ready to send the children. Satisfaction comes when you see a change, when you see a positive change in somebody's life. So at that point of time, you feel to do more. Concluding, I would like to say thank you, Saksham, for sharing this platform with me. And thank you, audience, for listening to this interview. Concluding note, I would like to say that किसी और की खुशी में खुश होके देखो, जरा खुद के गम भुला के औरों का मन बहला के देखो. It is always gonna help you.